Everything you think about aging and exercise is about to change. This one simple movement could add years to your life. Hey everyone, if you're over 60, you've probably heard that walking more and taking vitamins is enough to stay healthy. But science tells a different story. A massive study followed over 2 million adults aged 51 to 80, and what they found might surprise you. Your ability to stand up from a chair without support predicts your risk of death better than any other fitness test. Walking is great for your heart, but it barely helps the muscles you need to stay strong and independent. After 60, muscle loss speeds up, sometimes stealing up to half your strength by age 80. That's why simple walking wants to stop this decline and why targeted resistance exercises matter more than ever. Today, I'll guide you through 5 chair exercises proven by research to build muscle, improve balance, and reduce your risk of falls. These moves are surgeon approved and easy to do at home with just a sturdy chair and maybe a resistance band. Exercise 1. Core bracing. Sit tall without leaning back. Tighten your abdominal muscles like you're bracing for a gentle punch to your stomach. Hold for 5 seconds while breathing normally, then relax. Start with 10 reps and work up to 3 sets of 15. Strong core muscles stabilize your spine and lower your fall risk dramatically. Exercise 2. Heel slides. Sit forward in your chair, feet flat. Slowly slide one heel towards your body, bending your knee, then slide back. Repeat 12 times per leg. This strengthens your hip flexors, the muscles that lift your legs when you walk, helping prevent trips and falls. Exercise 3. Shoulder squeezes. Sit up straight, with arms raised to shoulder height, elbows bent. Squeeze your shoulder blades as if pinching a pencil. Hold for 3 seconds, then release. Do 15 reps. This improves posture, reduces back pain, and helps keep your lungs open and breathing easy. Exercise 4. Seated leg press. Using a resistance band looped around your foot. Push your leg forward, straightening your knee against the band's tension. Hold for 2 seconds, then return slowly. Do 12 reps per leg, 3 sets. This builds thigh strength, vital for climbing stairs and getting up easily. Exercise 5. Sit to stand. Cross your arms over your chest. Lean slightly forward and stand up fully from your chair without using your hands. Slowly sit back down, controlling your movement. Start with 10 reps and aim for 3 sets. This exercise activates all your lower body muscles and directly links to longer, healthier life. Remember, it's not about being an athlete. Just 15 minutes, 3 times a week, can change your strength and confidence dramatically. If you're ready to take control of your aging journey, start with these exercises today. Comment below which one you're most excited to try first. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more proven senior health tips coming your way every week. Thanks for watching and investing in your health.